Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Woman Decides to Fight After Trespassing. Wow, okay, let's get into the video.
On August 20th, 2023, officers responded to a gas station in reference to a trespassed female who was lurking around the property. She had also tried entering the store and was later found sitting on a bus stop.
Hello. Hi. Can you pull up the video so I can see her on the property? Since she's across the street. Hello, ma'am.
Hey, do you know why I'm here?
Not really.
So these guys called us. I guess they were saying you were over here soliciting, panhandling, stuff like that. Have you been trespassed from there before? No, you never got a trespass warning from that gas station there? Okay. Do you have ID on you?
My name is Katie Carter.
You don't have a driver's license or Florida ID? Alright, what's your full name?
Isn't that always a coincidence? Nobody has a form of ID. They walk around and don't have a form of ID. Isn't that a coincidence? But she started looking in her purse. So that tells me that she probably does have an ID, but she may have some funny things going on.
Because I know I spoke to her right here.
Okay.
I told her she couldn't be back here. You know, you've been trespassed, and then she just went out to the parking lot and started panhandling.
Alrighty. Are you able to make a copy of that?
I can.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yep. If you can do the disc of her, just show her walking in, and then wherever interaction you have, then I'll come back. I'll pick that up.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna go deal with her first.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Can I just leave? Like, I'm not even at the store. I wasn't at the store. I don't know. This guy came over and talked to me at the bus stop.
Okay.
They're mean. I don't know if they're mean, but the guy came over. He asked me did I need anything, and I told him yeah. He asked me.
No big deal. Was it just like the manager over there?
Yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know.
Were they an employee though? Like, were they wearing like the uniform, probably like a gray collared shirt?
No, a guy just asked me, he saw me, I was sitting on the curb right there, and he asked me, he was like, do you need anything? And they just came out, and I don't know if he said something, but I didn't, like, he asked me, did I need something?
First of all, you listen to the guy that gave you something, and listen to me and tell you, you're on the property. At least go stand by the bus stop. Yeah. No, you want to do that, you'll be all right.
I didn't see you on their property either. I saw you at the bus stop. But...
Yeah, I wasn't on their property. The guy was being nice, and he asked me, and I was like,
yeah.
If you want to, yeah, but I'm good.
Yeah, they probably just thought they owned that bus stop, which they don't. That belongs to the city, right?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
What's your birthday?
Can I just leave? Like, I'm not having a bad, like, I'm already having a rough time. I don't have time to, like,
What I say, something is not right. I told you, because when he asked for the ID, she started to look in the back. She reached in the bag. And then she said, no, I don't have an ID. So something ain't right. Something is not right that she don't want to give up her information.
I'm over here at the bus stop.
I know. Listen,
waiting on the bus.
It's not a big deal. If I could just check it real quick, I'll be out of your hair. I'm not trying to hassle you or anything. Just they called us out here. We gotta check.
Yeah, but I wasn't on their property. They're lying, so I don't want you to check.
Why not? I mean, if I check, I'll be out of your hair, and you can go on about your business. It's no big deal. Because I don't know if you saw that cruiser right there. They're checking the cameras to see if you're on the property. If you weren't, then you weren't, and easy day. We'll get out of your hair. Can I please have your date of birth? Or if you have ID, I'll take that too.
The CCTV footage was enough evidence to arrest the female who had been trespassed from the same location in the past.
Miss Carter, you don't even need to light that cigarette up. You can go ahead and put it out. Go ahead and take a stand up for me.
Why?
You're under arrest.
For what?
Trespass after warning.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do anything.
Yes,
I'm not going to jail. 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 I'm not going.
Stop.
I'm not going.
You going today?
Yes, you are.
I'm not going to jail.
You're going
I'm
to
not
jail.
going to jail.
You are.
I'm not going to jail.
You can make this very
I didn't
easy
do anything
or
wrong.
very difficult.
I wasn't on their property. I'm not going to jail.
You were on their property.
I wasn't on their property.
I watched you on video.
I wasn't on their property.
You were
I'm
inside
not going
the
to
store.
jail.
Yes,
I'm
you
not
are.
going to jail.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
not going to jail. I'm not.
Stop.
Ma'am,
Stop. Stop.
Get off of me! Get off of me! I'm not going to jail! 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 I'm not going to jail!
You're going to jail.
No,
Now
I'm
you're
not.
going to jail for battery
No,
for
I'm not
punching
going
him.
to jail.
Yes,
I
you
don't
are.
care. I wasn't on their property. I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to jail.
Give us your hand.
I'm not going to jail.
All right, you're going to get tased.
I'm not going to jail.
You're going to get
Ma'am.
tased
I'm
on the
going
side
to
of the
jail.
road.
I'm not going to jail.
Give us your left
I'm not
hand.
going to jail.
Katie, calm down.
I'm not going to jail.
Yeah, we're just fighting with one on the side of the road. Give me your left hand.
I'm not going to jail.
Give me your left hand.
I'm not going to
All right, you're
jail.
going to jail.
I'm not going to jail.
You just caught a felony. You're going to jail.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do anything wrong.
Big girl.
Cuff. Yep. Just go get your car. Yeah, I'll bring it around. Now you're making it way more difficult than it had to be. And you caught the felony.
Go to
Stop.
jail. I didn't do anything
Stop.
wrong.
Stop.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Stop.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Stop.
I want some more officers out here.
They're coming.
I don't want to go to jail. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
You were trespassing.
I did not have a disability. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm tired of being beat up by the cops. I'm tired
You're
of
not
it.
getting beat up. You laid on the ground.
I don't deserve to go to jail. I'm a good person. I'm a law-abiding person. I listen. I'm not bad.
Are you going to sit up and sit in the back seat of this car?
I didn't do anything wrong.
Or are you going to sit up and sit in the back of the car?
I didn't do anything.
I'm a law-abiding citizen as I break the law and I trespass. Okay.
Wrong.
You're going to lay on the side of the road.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Ma'am, you hit me in the face.
I didn't hit you in your face. You
Yeah,
don't
you
deserve
did.
to be arresting me.
Are you going to
You
sit up
don't
and sit in
deserve
the
to be
car?
arresting me. You don't deserve to be arresting me.
Are you going to sit up and sit in the car, or are we going to lay here on the side of the road?
You don't deserve to be arresting me.
Are we going to sit up and sit in the car?
Come on, it's gonna be more comfortable than laying here on the ground.
Arresting me.
We need to get her in the back seat. She got a felony for punching him in the face, so she's not been very cooperative.
Yeah, because I don't deserve
You
this.
have 3 officers here now. Are you ready to get up and get in the car?
I don't deserve this.
All right, you ready to get up and get in the car?
Why is this happening to me?
Stop kicking your feet, or you're going to catch another felony. Are you ready to get up and get in the car?
I didn't do anything wrong.
Hey, we're not arguing about that. We just want you to stand up and get in the car for us, okay?
I didn't do anything wrong.
You want to just keep laying here on the ground?
The female struck an officer in the face and attempted to kick another during the arrest. After being cuffed, she went limp and had to be transported in the most ingenious way.
Let's just pick her up. Hey, we're going to pick you up. If you start kicking, that's just going to be more felonies, okay? Hey, do you understand me?
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's hurt.
Well, you can stand up. You stand up? You want to stand up? Do you want to stand up? Katie, right? Katie, do you want to stand up? If not, we're going to have to lift you and slide you into this car. You can make it very easy on yourself just by standing up and sitting in the car. All right, you're going to jail at this point. Crying and boo-hooing on the side of the road on the ground is not going to affect that. All right, so do you want to stand up and sit in the car like a big girl, or do you want to lay on the ground?
Katie, you want to stand up?
All right, we're going to try and stand you up, okay?
You want to just roll? Come on, and sit up. There you go.
Stand up. Stand up. 1, 2, 3. Right. Now turn around and sit in there.
That's the way to fit this little butt first and you sit in the back.
I don't want it.
Come on, Katie.
Oh, you're going to jail.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
You gotta get in the car, Katie.
I didn't do anything
You're just prolonging the
wrong.
situation, okay, by
I
standing here.
didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
We'll sit back there, we'll get you some control, we'll talk
I
about
didn't
it,
do
okay?
anything wrong.
Katie, you gotta sit in the car and we'll talk about it.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Oh God. You know what I was thinking about? As I'm watching this video and she's just, whatever, going through her temper tantrum like a 2-year-old. When's the last time you cried? You ever think about that? Like you know, maybe, you know, people probably going through things in life or whatever the case may be. And I know, you know, I can only speak for the, you know, a guy or guys, you know what I mean? But guys tend to not cry that often, you know what I mean? So it's like, when's the last time you cried? Yo, if anybody want to let me know in the comment section. It's been years for me, but you know, anybody let me know, like sit back and think about that. Like, when's the last time you cried, bruh? You know? All right.
Sit in the car, not on the ground.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Come on.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Katie, get in the car. Come on, come on.
I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm gonna try to go first and I'll just...
I didn't do
All right,
anything
we're
wrong.
gonna drag you into the car, okay? I'll let you sit up there.
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do
Come on, Katie.
anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
There we go. You good? You got it? Jesus. Time to go on mute to talk to Officer Frisk.
The female was identified as 38-year-old Katie. She was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest with violence and trespassing property after warning.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.